In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Slack. By the end, you'll have Notion and Slack talking to each other so updates can flow smoothly and you can share information without copying and pasting between tools. First, open Notion and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Settings and Members. This opens the central place where you manage your workspace preferences and apps. If you are using the desktop app or the web version, the steps are the same. If you don't see Settings and Members, make sure you are in a workspace where you have permission to manage connections or switch to the correct workspace before continuing. Next, head to the Connections tab. This tab is where Notion lists all apps that can plug into your workspace and any that are already connected. Think of it as your integration control panel. You'll use it to add Slack now, and later it's also where you can review what's connected or disconnect apps you no longer need. Now find Slack in the gallery. You can scroll through the options or use the search bar to type Slack. When you see Slack, click Add to Notion. This begins the installation flow and shows you what the integration can do. It's normal to see a short summary of permissions here. These describe what access the app needs in order to work properly. You'll be prompted to authorize through Slack. Log into your Slack account if you aren't already, and make sure you are selecting the correct Slack workspace. Especially if you use more than one, review the permissions, then click Allow to grant Notion the necessary access. If your organization requires admin approval for apps, you may see a note about requesting access. Otherwise, the connection completes right away. After authorization, you'll be brought back to Notion. In the Connections tab, you should now see Slack listed as connected. From here, you can confirm it's active. And if needed later, manage or remove the connection from the same place. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If the authorization window doesn't appear, check your browser's pop-up settings or try a quick refresh. Make sure you are signed into the correct Slack workspace before approving. And remember, you can revisit the Connections tab at any time to review permissions or disconnect Slack if requirements change. That's it, your Notion workspace is now integrated with Slack, making it easier to share context across your team and keep work moving without switching apps. Thanks for watching.